I'm Creativecrambo, back with another one.
Definitely need a new blade on there. I can see a load of sparks coming off that. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, the diamonds are well low on that one. Definitely need to get that change, otherwise it becomes really dangerous. I'll get that changed over, and in fact I can show you the difference between an old one and a new blade. Yeah, them diamonds are going right down there now. That's literally down to the metal. Yeah, so I'm going to show you the difference between an old blade and a new one. Get your gloves on when you're changing a blade. That flange there can be really sharp. Yeah, the edge of that sometimes is really sharp, so gloves on. Okay, as you can see there, the diamonds are right down there to the metal. Let's have a look at the difference on the new blade. As you can see, there's a good 10 mil there difference on the diamonds. So definitely need to change that over. Also as well, on your new blade, there is a direction there in which it turns, and the arrows there indicate which way this goes. That's anti-clockwise, so that's the way it goes on with the print up. That's going to make a big difference to me cutting, and be a lot more accurate as well. Yeah, quite easy to start the Husqvarna. What I normally do is prime her up about 6 times, and then just a little bit of chalk. Quite easy, nice and quick start. Also your water supply that comes in just connects onto there, and then you turn the water on there. So that's quite an easy process. Also, what you want to think of is health and safety. So I've got safety goggles, dust mask, earplugs, gloves, steel toe cap boots. Think of your safety. I'm going to cut that through there with a wet cutter, but definitely need to change that blade. That's going to make a big difference. 100%.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.